benevolent, munificent, almighty, oh merciful, oh bountiful.
Authentically proven characteristics of angels. Number 1. Angels are created from light, but we do not know what this light is or what kind of light this is. As in the Hadiths, it says angels created from light, jinns from smokeless fire, and Adam from clay. Number 2. Angels were created before human, as we get the evidence from the Quran stating that when Allah spoke to angels, He said He's going to create a Khalifa on earth. Whereas we do not have any evidence whether angels were created before jinns as well or not. Number 3. Most angels are beautiful, as we get the evidence from Surah Yusuf when women were given knives and fruits. Then Prophet Yusuf salam was asked to pass in front of them and they cut their hands instead upon seeing his beauty. Thereupon women said, "This is no man but a noble, handsome angel." However, Munkar and Nakir are two of those described as fearful-looking angels. Number 4. Angels have wings, 2 or 3 or 4. Jibreel salam has 600 wings, each of which fill the horizon with multicolored pearls and rubies falling from the wings. But wings of angels are not like the feathers of birds or wings of plane. Number 5. Angels are huge in size. Prophet ﷺ saw Jibreel ﷺ twice in his real form. He says, "I saw him descending from the heavens with his huge size, filling the space between earth and heaven." Allah's throne will be borne by 8 angels. Distance between the earlobe and shoulder of the angel is a journey a bird would fly in 700 years. Feet in the lowest earth and a throne resting on his horn. Number 6. Angels also have ranks and status. Jibreel salam has high status and important rank. But do you know who is the best of angel? Do you know? Okay, the best of angels are those present at the Battle of Badr. Number 7. Angels also die. Ibn Kasir says, every soul will taste death. Soul of angel, soul of jinn, and soul of human being. And this distinguishes Allah from His creatures. Allah alone is the ever-living and never dies. But do you know the last one to die among the angels? Do you know? Oh, last one to die among the angels would be the angel of death. Number 8. Angels have no gender, neither male nor female. Allah rejects their description of being female, whereas masculine pronoun is used to refer to them in Arabic language. But this cannot be taken as evidence that angels are masculine. Number 9. Angels are countless in number. From one tradition, we get to know that in Baitul Mamur, which is a place of worship in heaven, 70,000 angels pray every day and they never get a chance to go again. In addition, on the day of judgment, hell will be brought with 70,000 ropes, each pulled by 70,000 angels. Number 10. Angels do not eat or drink nor get married. We take the evidence from the Quran when 2 angels were sent as a guest of Prophet Ibrahim salam in Surah Zariyat verse 24 and Surah Hud verse 70. Number 11. Angels never get tired, nor weak, nor bored, though they have repetitive tasks, which is according to Surah Anbiya verse 20 and Surah Fussilat verse 38. But there is no clear evidence that they do not sleep as well. Number 12. Few of the names of the angels are authentically confirmed from the Quran and Sunnah. Example, Harut and Marut were two angels sent to Babylon to test their people with magic. Likewise, Rizwan is the keeper of paradise and Malik is the keeper of hell. Number 13. Angels generally reside in heaven and they come down to fulfill Allah's command and then they go up. Number 14. Last but not the least. Angels in their original form are invisible to human beings, but Allah has allowed prophets to see them. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw Jibreel alayhi salam twice in his original form. So hey, this is Aspiring Muslima. Jazak Allah for listening to me. I hope this video was worth your time and of course patience as well. And if you think this was helpful in any way, then do share it with your friends and pray for me as well.